y'all? You know, so we back at it again with another video, son. Bro, it's been like 3 years since we did that actual. Look at my hair. I'm sorry, y'all. Man, you know what I'm saying? So, like I was saying, bro, it's been a hot minute since we did an actual video, bro. It's probably been a couple, like a few months, you know what I'm saying? So we've been just doing short and sweet videos in the meantime, but I had to bring it back, do another actual video, son. So what we're making, let me get to that. So ironically, not ironically, but this video that we're doing right now, y'all, we had made it back a while ago, back when the bro had a flat top, you know what I mean? Looking like a straight eraser head, bro. Now I got the locks. Jamaican, not really. I'm not Jamaican. Don't get me up. But yeah, so it's like this is like the very first thing I made when I was trying to start out. How I'm trying to figure out this YouTube thing. How I was trying to figure out with this whole cooking thing. So I had to bring it back, make it again for y'all officially. You know what I'm saying? So what we're making a chicken parm sandwich, son. So you already know this thing about to be right, bro. So let's get to it, man. Let me show y'all in this next clip what we got rocking with today, son. Let's go ahead and start this thing off right, son. So the first thing we're gonna need is, y'all, we're gonna need some panko. So this is gonna be our breading for our chicken, right? So we're not using breadcrumbs, we're not using flour and cornstarch, we're using panko because we're gonna give our chicken a nice airing but also crispiness to it, right? But of course, they make a chicken Parmesan sandwich, bro. We're gonna need some bread. So of course, we're using some French bread, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much we're gonna be doing this is just buttering up and toasting it, you know what I'm saying? But of course, we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese to it, you know what I'm saying? Because you know you're gonna add some Parmesan cheese when you get that chicken parm pasta, you know what I'm saying? So why not add it to our sandwich, right? So besides that, man, we also got some baby spinach, bro. So this is really gonna add nice little freshness and also some color in our chicken sandwich, right? So besides that, man, I got some vodka. So I'm using this vodka for 2 reasons. I'm using one for the chicken, which I'll get to in a little bit, and also for our marinara sauce, I'll get to in a little bit, right? So besides that, man, we also got mozzarella cheese. You already know what it's gonna be used for, so I don't need to say nothing about it, you know what I mean? So for our marinara sauce, man, we got puree tomatoes, and we also got diced tomatoes, right? So pretty much, man, we're gonna throw everything in the pot with our seasonings, with our vodka, let it cook up for a little bit and blend it up, right? Cool, boom. So back to our chicken, man. So I low-key messed up. I was supposed to buy 2 packs of chicken. The reason why I need 2 packs of chicken, because one, I was supposed to make a brine, let it sit overnight. So which is gonna be buttermilk, eggs, our vodka, and some seasonings. But I forgot to buy 2 packs, right? So that's why you're not seeing it in the clip. So this is what we rocking with, man. We got our panko, our French bread, our Parmesan cheese, our baby spinach, our vodka, our cheese, and our tomatoes, son. So let's get right to it. Welcome back, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So I got a confession to make, right? So you know how you didn't see the chicken and the showing off what we got going on because I made a oopsie. So like pretty much is I was gonna pre-make the chicken and then I was gonna buy another one for you to see the whole process and stuff like that. Of course, you know what I'm saying, how they do it on cooking channels, you know what I'm saying. But your boy forgot to buy the second amount of chicken. So this is what it's got right here. So let me tell you what's in here. So it's a combination of sugar, eggs, some of that vodka that you saw, and some seasonings, and also some buttermilk. And it's pretty much what you want that to do. You want that to kind of like sit for probably like 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to wait 24 hours, about 6 to 7 hours is fine. So it's kind of like a brine pretty much, you know what I'm saying? So the reason we add alcohol to it, because it helps break down and also kind of like tenderize the chicken a little bit. Also, I want to get a little extra little flavor in it as well. So besides all that, the only thing really is left to do with the chicken is pretty much just going through the whole process of frying. So we're gonna double bread it too. So we're gonna use flour. We're gonna make an egg wash, flour, let it sit for a little bit, then we're gonna put it back in the egg wash, and we can use panko. So the reason why we're using panko, for one, I like panko way better than breadcrumbs. To me, I don't know if it's the same for y'all or anybody else, but breadcrumbs taste kind of weird. Like it has like, I don't know, bro, because like when I eat chicken with breadcrumbs, it just tastes like I'm eating more of the breadcrumbs than the actual chicken. And then with flour, I like frying with flour, but with panko, it just get that like airy and crispiness that you need for it. So that's why we're using panko. So yeah, bro, so let's go ahead and get that going. And that's pretty much really about it. Then after that, then we're gonna make our sauce. So let's get to it, y'all. Alright, man. So first thing we're gonna do is start throwing our all-purpose flour in, right? And after that, add some salt, pepper, and some paprika for some heat, right? Then start working with your panko, right? So after you get done pouring in our panko, that's when we're gonna start working on our egg batter, which is gonna be some eggs and some buttermilk, right? And so after that, you think you've already start frying? Well, no, you're wrong. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be double breading. So first we're gonna dip our chicken into our batter, then flour, let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna throw our chicken in the batter and then our panko, right? And now we're ready to start frying, right? So pretty much, man, you just want to cook it for probably about like 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Or like ideally just look for a golden brown color. And once you start getting that, that's when you know it's time to flip it, right? And so you don't want to mess with it too much or then your breading's going to fall off. So just let it cook and do its thing, right? So let's get to a boring part, man. Y'all see me made this a million times, so I'm going to speed right through it. So we're going to get some marinara, so we're going to add some tomato paste, you know what I'm saying? Then we're going to also add some crushed tomatoes, our vodka, some seasonings, blend that baby up, you know the deal, right? So now let's start making our bread. So we're going to cut that baby in half and toast that thing up to perfection. So let's get it, son. What's good, y'all? So welcome back, son. You know what I'm saying? We just got done making our chicken, making our sauce, son. You know what I'm saying? I didn't really go too crazy with the sauce. Y'all seen me make a marinara 1,000 times. You saw me make marinara or you saw me make vodka sauce. Pretty much the same thing, you know what I'm saying? But got done making the sauce. So only thing left to do is to eat the thing, boy. So this is how we looking, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I kind of messed up. So what I did was I put the chicken and the sauce on the wrong side of the bread so it looks a little off. But you know what? It don't matter because it's gonna be good and tasty, bro. So let's go ahead and try this baby, son. So you know what I'm saying? This is how we looking, man. Got some. Let me just eat the cheese, you know what I mean? Good mozzarella. Well, we didn't come here for mozzarella. We came here for the chicken. So let's go ahead. Let's go and try this thing right here. Oh, crispiness of the chicken and the bread, bro, and then like with juiciness, bro. Bro. This is like fantastic. Like, man, look at that joint, bro. You can't tell me this shit do not look good, bro. Like, look at that. So, let me get one more bite. Let me get one more bite, y'all. I swear, this is way better than the first time I had made this, y'all. So, y'all already know the deal, yo, man. Thank y'all for watching. We got another episode of Don Entree, man. So let's go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We can check out the next video. So I'll see y'all to the very next episode. I ain't gonna kiss y'all. What do you think this is? Fire. Like this house almost got set on fire. About to drop a mixtape. This shit ain't late. Don Entree. Get on the plate. Shit made a chicken parm sandwich. You know it ain't fake. Go subscribe to my show before it's too late. But I ain't a rapper. Super hot fire.
Okay, you going too far.
Alright.